Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Today we're making Queso Fundido, aka cheese dip. So I got some pork chorizo right here. You can use beef. I like pork. I got some ribeye steaks. I'm also gonna cook on the side. And all we're gonna do is just salt and pepper with these guys. Nothing special. I do have chile poblano. We're gonna toast these or roast them. Got a bunch of cilantro. We're also making a salsa. So I got some red jalapenos right here. I got some onions, avocados, lime. Then I have tomatillos, green tomato. So when you peel this, when you take the husk off, they're pretty sticky on the outside. So what you got to do is just watch these guys. I got a few of those. And then I got the famous Oaxaca cheese right here. I'm going to go ahead and shred this. And then I'm also going to just use some shredded cheese that we have lying around. Let me go ahead and prep all this. And we'll go out to the fire and we'll get started. Because I'm excited for this queso fundido. Went ahead and sliced an onion up. Did it pretty thin. Half an onion, not too much. I got this Oaxaca cheese. So I got some cheddar and some mozzarella shredded cheese. Just put a nice bunch there. We'll go ahead and give this a quick mix. Look at how beautiful these guys are. I've been craving just a regular old steak. So I got a bed of coals and I got a piece of oak wood. Let's go ahead and roast our veggies. So we have the two poblanos, some onion, we got a few jalapenos, and a few tomatillo, some green tomatoes for our salsa. Pretty simple, guys. Just come in here, keep an eye on them. We don't want nothing burning, just want them to roast. Alright guys, it's been maybe 5 minutes. So the idea behind roasting the peppers is to get that full flavor of the oak. What I got here is a Ziploc bag. We're gonna go ahead, just put them in there because I want them to sweat. So there it is. Just put it in a Ziploc bag, seal it up, wait about 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna come back and we're gonna clean them. Alright guys, we're back inside. I got 4 garlic cloves, some salt. This is a stress reliever. Get our tomatillos. They're nice and roasted. I'm not gonna peel them. Just the way it is. I want a chunky salsa. You can put this in the blender and go much faster. Old school for me today. Aren't these beautiful? So you can scrape this off if you want. I really don't do it. To me, all the flavor's in there. We'll just go ahead and cut the stems off. And if you don't want it that spicy, cut it open, just like so. You can use the back of your knife, scrape it through, turn it this side, scrape it, and just dice it. But I want those seeds. I want it spicy. I'm just trying to show you guys how to clean it. If you decided not to make it too spicy, we're gonna go ahead and just do a rough chop. Just give it a rough chop. There we go. That should even everything out. Be nice and creamy, savory. Come on, you can't tell me this doesn't look fire. Salud. It's just absolutely delicious, guys. The reason why we put this in a Ziploc bag, because we want the flesh to cook. We want it to steam. And it'll be a lot easier for us to clean. Same thing, you can come in here, peel this out, cut it out. Pretty simple, guys. I like using the back of the knife, to be honest with you. There's a lot of ways you can do this. You can do rajas, which means slivers. But for us, we're going to go ahead and chop it up pretty good. And this is going to go in the queso fundido just to give it an extra flavor. Nice color. That fat is rendering out pretty good. Set this to the sides. I'm not really going for temp. I'm going for feel. And they feel pretty damn good to me. We're going to go ahead and rest these. But this is the star of the show right here, guys. Our pork chorizo. Also, with our raw onions. You don't have to add any oil to this because the chorizo will release plenty of oil. That's what we're looking for, guys. We need to break the onions down in the chorizo. Has plenty of oil, the chorizo does. This looks absolutely delicious. And it smells incredible. At this point, I had the other veggies that we roasted. Poblanos, the jalapenos, and the onions. We're going to go ahead and add our Oaxaca cheese and our shredded cheese. Look at this. Look at that. Come on. You guys can't tell me that doesn't look bomb. So let's move the skillet over here. Let's go ahead and put the lid. I want that queso fundido to get a little bit smoke as well. Queso fundido at its finest. Bomb. All right. All right, we'll get a nice cuchara of it. Then we're going to just top it with the ribeye here. That freaking bomb salsa we made earlier. We're going to just top it. Bomb. Just bomb. First, let's just try the queso fundido by itself. Let's see. Are you serious? Damn, this is good. Let's try it with some salsa, some ribeye. Let's see. Wow. Just want to say thank you to Miguel and a big shout out to him for letting me know about the queso fundido. He wanted to see how it's made. This is my take on it and try the recipe out because this is delicious. This is another recipe that I've never cooked either. As far as the queso fundido, in other words, it's melted cheese. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for the notification so you guys don't miss out on any future videos that I got coming up. And thank you for all the new subscribers that I'm getting. I appreciate that. And thank you and welcome to the barbecue family. It's a big community. So I'm looking forward to interact with most of you guys. Leave a comment. Let me know. Let me know what you think. All right, gracias. Thank you for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. I'll catch you guys next week.